I'm here today in Essex, walking my dog Senza, and I thought I'd show you a quick trick. Senza, come here. There you go, good girl. Spin round, bring it back round. That's it, and sit. Here we have a Rhodesian Ridgeback. But watch carefully and see if you notice something change. And look, we now have an Alsatian. How about that? There we go. I don't know how it happened. God. I'm out walking the dog, and I thought I'd show you a little trick. Senza, come here, babe. Good girl. If you come around here, Senza. This is my assistant, Senza. Senza, that's it. Spin your bum around. That's it. And sit. Sit. Sit your bum down. Come on. Senza, sit. Good girl. There we go. So, Freebie. Oh God, you're too soon, Freebie.
Right, you're gonna have to start
Right, we have to start again.
Right.
Right, Freebie, you're ruining the shot. So I'm here in Essex, walking my dog Senza, and I thought I'd show you a quick trick. Senza, come here. Good girl, sit. Spin your bum round. Okay, so we've got a Rhodesian Ridgeback here. On the count of 3, that's going to change. 1, stay here, Sense. 2, 3. Quick, Helen. Quick. Oh, God. Hello, quick. Quick. Ah! Hold on to the cactus going.
Go.
Right, get a shot, quick. And there we have. And oh God. Now look, we've got a. Oh, Senza. Oh God, it's ruined. It's over. Come on then.